on the basis of a report which has been made after due inquiry into the matter, that only in that case, if there is a report in which he has been found guilty of misconduct after full factual inquiry, only on that basis he can be removed, cannot be removed for any other way. Otherwise,
going along with you, I just want to understand one thing. It's being conceded by the Attorney General that there was no factual inquiry.
Perfectly.
Now, moving ahead, what can we do? What can this court do?
That means that inquiry is that report by the Supreme Judicial Council on the basis of which he has been removed is unconstitutional, because Constitution requires.
I'm not asking for an argument. I'm saying what can this court do? What if I was to ask you, okay, what sort of order can this court pass? What would you suggest?
Declaring the inquiry, the report of the Supreme Judicial Council as unconstitutional, void, and nullity.
But suppose the allegations that you level were not true, then
what was it?
Suppose that the allegations that you leveled, one person is saying no, one person is saying yes. Now we must have a mechanism to ascertain who is telling the truth. I mean, we can't throw a coin in the air and decide on that basis. So there are two possibilities. I mean, you don't mind my saying so. Either the petitioner is telling the truth or is not telling the truth. There are only two possibilities. If, don't mind my saying so, if he's not telling the truth and he makes this allegation, and on that, and nobody ascertains, like you have alleged that nobody ascertained, and nobody ascertains whether his allegation is true or false, and is or whatever the order is set aside, surely this will not be proper. That's why I'm saying, how do we go forward now?
That is exactly the case. If your Lordship may kindly see that I informed the Chief Justice of
No, we understand that. They concede no inquiry was held. I'm saying, where do we go from here?
So therefore, the entire proceedings against me...
wo bhi ho gayi. Suppose, just for the sake of argument, we say, because we have to deal with these cases, it becomes precedent. Okay? Supreme Judicial Council, let's assume, did not do its job by inquiring into the matter. Correct? I think fundamental rights are available to judges as well. The due process and fair trial. By all means, hear it and then remove me. Because say this is false allegation you've leveled, you don't fit to be a judge, and not only you made a false allegation, you went and made it publicly. If it was false, he should be removed. If it was false, he should be removed. No. If the allegation that you make now,
yes,
is established to be false after the inquiry,
yes,
should you have been removed?
Then can be yes.
Okay.
Then
No. Now I reverse it.
Yeah.
If after inquiry it transpires that the allegation that you leveled was true,
yes,
they may say you still should be removed because you went public, or no, you should not be. But your emphasis is on the fact that one way or the other inquire into the matter. Am I correct in understanding that? Now because you had leveled initially allegations without making anyone a party, so we wanted to hear what the persons against whom the allegations had been made, what would they say? They may come and say, yes, I did so, but there was nothing wrong in it, or simply say, yes, I did it. But the matter can't end now because they're saying, no, this is all false. So who will ascertain the truth of the matter?
The Supreme Judicial Council ought to have done that. My position is. Now your Lordship is.
Zara mein solution bhi bata dena sir. We're looking for how to solve this riddle.
इसका simple जवाब है sir. जैसे पहले, in some cases it has happened एक तो ये है
देखिए,
जो हमने
देखिए,
to begin with
नहीं,
कहा
हमें
था,
सोल्यूशन हम आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू समझ गए, हम आपका केस समझ गए।
जब आपकी petition
अब
अलग
अब
होती है।
अब हम करें क्या, ये बताइए। व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर which should not, either then it will amount to the same allegation that you've leveled on the other side. The other side will tomorrow complain and say, you never ascertained this fact, and you've held that we've done this thing. So, we come up with a solution now.
सर मैं solution ये है
Yes.
सर कि let this order of the president and the report may kindly be quashed and a commission may be appointed to ascertain the truth so that we can cross-examine them, they can cross-examine
एक
us.
second ठहरिए ना। Commission, how, under what law will we do that?
This honorable court can always do so.
No, देखिए,
To ascertain the truth about the matter.
no, it can't be remanded to the Supreme Judicial Council.
Sir,
Is that a possibility or it's not?
it can be, yes. It can be, yes. It can.
No, I want your clear thinking on this.
After questioning the order of
सब आर्टिकल 7 भी पढ़
president.
ले, सब आर्टिकल 7
But there is one problem which I see.
एक सब आर्टिकल 7 भी पढ़ ले।
जी।
209 सब आर्टिकल 7 209 सब आर्टिकल 7 पढ़ ले।
जी 7 सर वो 7 की बात हो रही है ना, तो उसमें है ए जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट और ऑफ ए हाई कोर्ट कैन शैल नॉट बी रिमूव फ्रॉम ऑफिस एक्सेप्ट एज प्रोवाइडेड बाय दिस आर्टिकल। आर्टिकल क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? प्रेसिडेंट कैन रिमूव ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ए रिपोर्ट। द रिपोर्ट हैज टू बी बेस्ड ऑन इंक्वायरी, सो देयरफॉर अंडर क्लॉज 7
नहीं, देखें,
He could not be removed.
ये तो admitted fact हो गया that no one ascertained whether the allegation was factually correct or not. That much is established from what I've been able to understand. Unless somebody says, no, it's not been established. I don't think even Khwaja Sahab पूछते थे, Khwaja Sahab कहाँ गए? Was the one way or the other, whether the allegation was true or not, was it been ascertained or not?
It was never inquired into, it was never ascertained, and if that part of the order would not carry-
How do we go forward then on this?
May I very respectfully submit?
Because both can't be telling the truth.
No, quite right. May
Yes.
I very humbly submit, my lord? The order itself may have two components, although they are mixed up. As far as I'm concerned, they are mixed up in the sense, one is with respect to the public speech that was made. Whether the public speech that was,
नहीं, ये मैंने कहा that's a separate aspect.
this is what I'm saying.
That may in itself be such a grave crime that you remove him.